BJP bigwigs continue their frequent visits to the state. Home Minister Amit Shah is in Bengal now for a two-day visit. This will be his second to the poll-bound state in a week. And during this visit, Shah is going to be holding a roadshow. He's going to be launching the fifth and final phase of the BJP's Parivartan Yatra from South 24 Parganas. Amid the raging debate over CEA, Shah is also scheduled to have lunch with the refugee family in South 24 Parganas' Narayanpur village. This lunch is essentially a big outreach to the refugee community ahead of assembly polls, because Shah in his last visit had also said that the process of granting of citizenship to refugees will start once the COVID vaccination drive ends.
আমাদের সঙ্গে যদি দেখা হয় ওনাকে বলবো আমাদের এই আমরা এখানে বাংলাদেশি লোক আমাদের প্রতি যেন একটু লক্ষ্য নজর করেন
আপনাদের অভিযোগগুলো জানাবেন
তো আছেই অবশ্যই এগুলো তো বলবোই আমরা মৎস্যজীবী যেহেতু আমাদের
এটাও মৎস্যজীবী পরিবার
এটাও রাজবংশী পরিবার এবং আমাদের রাজবংশী সম্প্রদায়ের ভিতরে কেউ দেখাশোনা করেন।
Here's the assurance that Amit Shah gave last time when he was in Bengal on the issue of CAA.
हमने 2018 में वादा किया था, 19 में मतवा समाज ने हमारी झोली कमल के फूलों से भर दी। मोदी सरकार बनी और हमने तनिक भर भी देर नहीं की, 2020 में ही हम सीए लेकर आए और आज कानून अस्तित्व में आए। ममता दीदी ने शुरू कर दिया कि झूठा वादा है, कुछ होगा नहीं, देंगे नहीं, और वो देंगे तो हम देंगे नहीं, हम उसको रोकेंगे, मेरी जान है तब तक नहीं होगा। ममता दीदी, हम तो वो लोग हैं जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं। जैसे ही कोरोना से मुक्ति मिलती है, आप सभी को नागरिकता देने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार समाप्त की। ये देश की संसद का कानून है, आप कैसे रोकोगी? और वैसे भी अब रोकने की स्थिति में भी नहीं रहोगी, क्योंकि अप्रैल के बाद तो आप मुख्यमंत्री भी नहीं रहने वाली है ममता दीदी।
And let me take this across now to Indrajit Kundu, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Indrajit, good morning. The focus of this visit, of course, is going to be on giving an assurance to refugees on the issue of citizenship, because there's been a lot of speculation about a delay on that front. Secondly, if you could explain to us why South 24 Parganas, why has Amit Shah chosen that district in this visit?
Well, Akshita, very, very important. This is the last leg of BJP's Parivartan Yatra, which Home Minister Amit Shah would be flagging off today, and he's doing it from South 24 Pargana district. We've all been speaking for the last few weeks about how South Bengal seems to be a Trinamool Congress bastion. Unless the BJP is able to breach that, it would be very difficult for the BJP to form any government here in West Bengal. And South 24 Pargana district is crucial. It has more than 30 seats in this single district. It's a densely populated area. It's always been a Trinamool Congress bastion in the past few years. This is the same district from which Trinamool Congress MP and Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee has won from Diamond Harbour constituency. So it's a high stakes battle. Nevertheless, that's why Home Minister Amit Shah would be here at Ganga Sagar. He has multiple programs and he will also be flagging off the Parivartan Yatra from Kagdeep, and this comes on a day when even Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee would be in the same district. She would be holding a workers' meet at Pailan in South 24 Pargana district, which will also be attended by her nephew Abhishek Banerjee. So both these parties are not letting go of this opportunity to woo voters in South 24 Pargana, one of the key districts, and that can decide the fate on who will form the next government here in West Bengal.
The BJP seems to be definitely at a disadvantage in South 24 Parganas, at least if you look at the previous voting trends. But we'll have to see if that changes this time around, looking at how the BJP is so aggressively pushing forward with their campaign in this district.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.